Plant Protection Subject Matter Specialist of ICAR KVK Ukhrul, Dr. Ningthoujam Ajit has encouraged unemployed youths to rear apiculture so as to generate income. In a special interview of SKTV News with Dr. Ningthoujam Ajit during the World Honeybee Day, Dr. Ningthoujam Ajit stated that since 2008, bees are considered to be one of the most important insects as they have cultural and environmental importance as pollinators and producers of honey and medicinal products. According to scientist Albert Einstein, it is said that if the bee disappears from the surface of the earth, man would have no more than 4 years left to live. Ningthoujam Ajit further said that a person can start a beekeeping business with just 50 boxes of bee. One bee box can at least produce 10 to 15 bottles of honey. He further maintained that honey provides various health benefits.
2008 ta kogi London da koi asi jiva laiba mayam sidigi khwaidigi maruoiba jiva amani hena moina announce tokre dui makata na kogi tasengna power of scientist Albert Einstein na hairami madudi kogi khoi asi karigumba planet sidigi extinct tokib taragadi mangib taragadi koi hinghauriba human being mankind se koina sahi mari phana hingba ngamoi haibagi wari hairami Manipur dadi hojik phajana yoknari si officery na indica hairiba haing khoi masachini masida yokpada kogi amna luningai awaba kaisu leite box ama thambiraga box da magi jotoni amna tawbusu darka leite aduga farmers amana masi koyo ko matamda aigi hectare ama leigedobani atra pari ama leigedobani haibagi wari su leite ipikpikpa jaga yumgi akoibada koina thamba matamda hairagadi box yankai po ilaina thamba yai yokpada masi nungtigi hangdo kodobugi su darka leite mase thamada anirakkumba hangdokpiba manungda amotpa kha sengdokpiba sidani akoina tawgodoba Ataidi masana dum loimo puthoksagadobani aduga koina khangadoba mana koi hi karam kanda harvest togani koi hi na karam kanda phangani masida khangagadi akoina koi yokpagi damuktadi kesu wani ai lekte training gumba kari gumba sum mayamna yabiragadi khaji khaji yawbiu loina ina haijagadaba mana koi yokpase tasengna koigi angang youngster mayam boy introduce togjaningi similon ama oina paisa se phajana dum phangba ngamgani karigumba mi amana lakh ama invest tawragadi koi yokpasida adu orgadi magi profit se koina lakh nipan phodi phangani haibche chahi amda mase kogi pandam moina dum mayamna su khangnaraba ngakteni.
Meanwhile, an apiculturist from Karong, Yumnam Ibocho, stated that bee not only helps in generating the income, but can also generate income by making bee boxes. He further maintained that a beekeeping business can generate income as low as 16,000 rupees.
Koi si loiraga koi hi thokpa koi singchina maru marang gi magul leiba dugo maru mayang othok yel marang kaina thokpa helli aduna maromda mu koi thokpa koi singchi leitrabudi pambi singchi mahi oipa ngamdadna kelaga ayamba mangini sum selaga agati koi si loitana sum leragati pambi singchi pura motki bagi phibam bawle aduna India government koi loitaba yade haina hojikse thabak kanna paikhale koi loibasi koina atei sinbam kayamaram toragasu masi saita laina panthokpa yaba thaba amani thoidongna masida yamna thabak sitpa thaba amanate adu yam toina yengjanragasu yaba thaba amani hana thabjani koi loiba matamda method ani lei amana koi loknabagi sem saba amana koi multiplication tawba haibadi mapi kohalaga koi khaidokna yonbagi method senabusi yai government dagi koi loibagi maramda mateng macha lawbusu yai koina mana masing thabaga mari lenana haibadi horticulture crop thabaga mari lenana horticulture department da ragas tharaga koi upu thaga lawbusu yai agriculture crop tharaga haibadi hangam gumba thabiraga agriculture department dagi mateng lawbu yai aduga ICR gumba dagi mateng lawbusu yai Central Agriculture University dagi ragas tharaga lawbusu yai aduga forest department dagi ragas tharaga su lawbu yai